Wilton Han over here. A funeral director reached out when I was at a trade show last week, and he walked up to me and was wondering how to change his hours of operation on his Google listing. It is outrageously critical to be set to 24/7 for a funeral home, right? But the overall thing is, how do you set up your hours of operation to be accurate? So first of all is, of course, right? Just Google yourself, and that's probably the most accurate. Is go on Google yourself and see what shows up here. For a funeral home, typically you want it to be set to 24/7, right? If you're a cemetery, it depends maybe to put it your actual hours of operation. But how do you change it? That's the main question here. It's outrageously simple. You go on google.com/business. Once you are in, it's super simple. You go to info. Right. This is the section where you can update everything that shows up on your Google listing, the information. So once you're in here, just go ahead and, right, this is the section where you update your hours. Very simple, right? Make sure to set 24/7 or, right, if you're not open on certain days, stuff like that. Then while you are there though, one other tidbit here is typically people wonder, are you opened on holidays? So what you might want to do is, right, on holidays, make sure to set to you are open as well. Right, so for example, Labor Day coming up, make sure to come in here and then select that you are open. Okay, so it's very critical, first of all, again, just to double check on your Google listing that it is the hours of operation set correctly. For funeral home, it should be 24/7. If it's not 24/7, go on google.com/business, go to info, and modify your hours. Super simple.